Tooth grinding is very common, and people often do this because of stress. And the best way a dentist can help is make a little appliance for you to sleep with. What this will do, it will not only protect your teeth, but if it's done in the correct way, can reduce the grinding significantly. The idea of having one of those appliances is that it protects your teeth and makes sure that you won't need more invasive dentistry in the future.